Hi, I am Shaira, a passionate and innovative project manager intern who loves turning ideas into reality through technology. And I believe that every project is a chance to create impact, learn, and grow. What drives me in project management is seeing a team working together to achieve a goal. I love planning, coordinating, and making sure that every member knows their tasks. And I take pride in helping projects succeed from start to finish. I have my experience in project management during my third year in college, and that's when we proposed an app called BlazeMart, a trailblazers marketplace, and that journey made me realize that I have a talent in handling a project. I was able to defend our proposed software engineering project and used my extroverted self to public our application. Aside from being able to experience a project management role, I am also a researcher in our capstone project we are working as of the moment. This capstone project is called WasteWise, an IoT smart garbage bin that automatically segregates a trash. Aside from those experiences in projects, I have also practiced and mastered creating a flowchart, web making, data gathering, and UI UX designing. And I also have experience using these project management tools. I excel in planning, scheduling, and tracking progress. Using tools like Gantt chart, Google Sheets, and Trello help me keep tasks organized, monitor deadlines, and make sure that project stays on course. I am valuable because I bring a combination of technical understanding, organizational skills, and people management. I identify risks easily, solve problems proactively, and maintain team morale. My hands-on experiences makes me ready to contribute meaningfully from day one. My career goal is to grow into a professional project manager capable of leading complex IT projects. I want to refine my leadership, improve strategic planning skills, and gain real-world experience managing diverse teams to deliver impactful solutions. I admire how Syntactics Inc.'s mission to offer custom software, web development, digital marketing, and virtual assistants, which aligns into my own goals, which is as a project manager of BlazeMart, I aim to lead projects that deliver reliable, user-centered solutions. I want to help ensure clients get a scalable, quality work which matches the Syntactics values of being experienced, resourceful, process driven, and results oriented. And I believe my drive and approach will be a strong fit for the team. You should hire me because I bring passion, discipline, fresh ideas, and hands on experience. I am eager to learn, lead, and help the team succeed. With my skills and commitment, I am ready to make a meaningful impact as your project management intern. Thank you.